I make is the promise I keep. Remember the business fair that we spoke about a couple of months ago? Today we are on our way to shoot. Maybe kind of vlogish something. Yeah, we are on our way to cover this event that is taking place at Kwangolosi Business. What is it called? Kwangolosi Community Hall, and they are calling it a career fair with a twang of a business fair in between, because there are young people who are showcasing their businesses, their arts, their skills, everything, you name it, they are gonna be there. So yeah, today we're on our way to shoot that business fair. Stay tuned, because I'm going to be bringing you some exciting things, young people showing us their talents, their skills, their business ideas. Well, I don't know. We're going to ask her today if you don't know yet what to do with your hands, with your arts, with your skills, with your talents, with anything and everything, you name it. I don't know. Especially in South Africa. Just after today, and now you've always been wanting to start something business-wise. You have a business idea, but you are not doing it, because after what I am going to show you after this, you'll be amazed what they will do with their hands, what business ideas they will come up with, what things people deal with in the name of starting their business and doing something, especially if it's the young person, because we are in the month of June, and the month of June is special. It's particular. You know, wake up, black child. It's your time, black child. Go, black child, and you know, business ideas. Jubula ingqondo yakho ayijule ama business ideas mano, ngoba hayi gobe isikhathi esiphila kusona akusona esabantu abazohlala bathi balinde umsebenzi, balinde ukubasi, balinde uqasha. Esabantu abazovuka bazenzele. Come with me over the rainbow. Yes, come with me.